Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I'm overstepping my bounds a little bit. He did not ask for help with this, and I hate to say it, but that's terrible. Even though it's really small, that's going to kind of show up. And since it's your logo and I've taken out your company name or whatever, this is real easy to reproduce. First of all, I didn't take a lot of time to find a text more so like yours, but if you'll take some time, or you might even know that text. And we're going to do a couple things here. I've scrunched the letters together. I've already converted them to curves, so they'll be at a cut with a virtual segment delete key, and that joins them together. And then I took a 2-point line and I kind of got that angle of that line, and I'm just going to bring it over. Let me zoom in a little bit. And just bring that there, Control D and make a duplicate. And here's the problem. And that's why your duplicate distance set on quarter by quarter, that's default. And see, it took it out of the picture. And you couldn't see it, so let's smart fill that in now. And now I'm gonna set my nudge distance to like 1 inch. And nudge that down. We can delete this now. Nudge that back up. Let's left click, right click. Let's get a star. Holding down the control button so it'll be perfect. Bring it about there, get your smart fill tool, fill it in, nudge it down, get rid of that. The smart fill just does everything and seals everything. Now in the logo, so I'm pretty close, but in the logo you've got these little bitty lines here and here. So we're gonna just take first of all, let's left click, no fill, right click outline. Let's take a little bitty thin rectangle and let's put it right there. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Let's take that same rectangle, Control D, and see what it did. It put it up there. That's a little bit irritating. So we got the same logo, same spacing now, so we could fill that in and nudge it down, fill that in, nudge it down. And if you will look at the difference between my 1 minute logo versus your trace logo, look how sharp and clean that is versus yours. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.